What are we most proud of, Lorraine?
You should be proud of me.
I'm very proud of you.
We are changing everything in this release. It's a new market, it's a new integration with the controllers to Virtual Center. So it's a very exciting because it's a release that is putting us ready to integrate with Extra Large, which is the version that we are going to release soon. And at the same time, it's a completely new and more efficient analytics. So it's a very, very large change, and I'm very proud of everything that the team did for that change.
When I come to work every day, the most important thing that excites me, I'm a part of the change that is happening in the virtualized world, and I'm working on the cloud feature, which is the future.
And I'm proud of the fact that we are building something that we believe in, that's going to make a difference. And it's something that's unique. It's pretty complex, but it's unique, and it offers a real value to our customers.
All the fundamental changes, like we are releasing the Market 2, we are releasing the VC SDK, because I think that in coming future, it will decide the course of Turbonomic for future releases.
Now cloud will be running on newly architected Market 2. We have integrated with Market 2. And it took a lot of collaboration integrating with the market team.
This whole process was amazing. A whole new market was released. The people who designed a whole brand new UI, a lot of cloud features. So I'm impressed by all those contributions.
My proudest accomplishment is the CPU capacity that enables better hardware refresh plans in order to decrease the amount of hardware that an organization needs to purchase for future workloads.
The one that I'm really proud of is the AppD support that we built this release, and I really am proud of that because it kind of tells our whole application story. It actually shows how we are building the product end to end from applications and how it impacts the VMs, and the decisions are not made in isolation, but they are actually tied into the whole supply chain.
6.1 has newly improved action control, which means now it's more network, storage, and license aware. The resizes, the right sizing actions, the migration, they have more capability of understanding how much network the workload requires, about the EBS templates.
I'm personally proud of about Hyperflex and Tetration because in my opinion it will strengthen our CWAM release, which is critical for our future success.
And most important is the licenses, be it from on-prem migration to cloud or cloud to on-prem migration.
The thing that I'm most proud about with 6.1 is the reserved instances, because it can have a big impact on cost for our customers. So we implemented for AWS discovery monitoring and an algorithm, a buy algorithm for when to buy RIs. And it ensures maximal savings on historical VM demand.
I'm really proud of Pure SDK, and I'm really happy that I could write a SDK Pro, and now I think a lot of customers are going to benefit from it.
We mostly paid a lot of attention to stabilizing the Hyper-V and the VMM offerings that we've been supporting for a very long time, especially in terms of action execution, where we make sure that the environment is in the right state before we execute any action in order to prevent any undesirable changes on the customer's infrastructure. That's what I'm most proud of for the Hyper-V and VMM, so that our customers keep having a very stable and desirable experience, not having us to jump on the call all the time.
The thing that I'm most proud of is being part of PT team in 6.1 release effort. There are a lot of ways we improved the quality of 6.1, ranging from multiple EA releases and getting feedback from customer, and going over the complete test plan and reviewing the test suites with the developers and increasing our automation test percentage.
For this release, the 6.1, I was largely working on UI testing, in particular policy settings management. And this was the first release that we really focused on testing. For this one, we really dedicated like 3 months of hardcore bug fixing, bug opening, bug fixing, bug opening. So that was a lot of fun.
The thing I'm most proud with this release is I think we've really had a good check on quality of the code. We made some improvements to the build process, and while it is a little stressful on everybody, I think the improvements we've made have really been done well.
And it's been a long time for 6.1 to come out, but I think it's going to be worth the wait.
Very excited for 6.1 coming soon to an instance near you.